The main idea is the central or most important idea in a paragraph or passage. It states the purpose and sets the direction of the paragraph or passage. The main idea may be stated or it may be implied. When the main idea of a paragraph is stated, it is most often found in the first sentence of the paragraph. However, the main idea may be found in any sentence of the paragraph. The main idea may be stated in the first sentence of a paragraph and then be repeated or restated at the end of paragraph. The main idea may be split. The first sentence of a paragraph may present a point of view, while the last sentence presents a contrasting or opposite view. To find the main idea of any paragraph or passage, ask the test questions. Who or what is the paragraph about? What aspect or idea about the who or what is the author concerned with? Main idea practice paragraph 1 to 6. Read, read and think about the following sample paragraph in which the main idea sentences are underlined. Paragraph 1. It is often said that lightning never strikes twice in the same place, but this isn't true. Go as the forest range who spend their summers as firefighters will will tell you that every thunder shower brings several bolts of lightning to their lookout stations. Notice the first sentence tells what the paragraph is about. The sentence that follows support the idea stated in the first sentence. Paragraph 2. Costs were low that year and the output high. There was a good person for each job and the market remained firm. There were no losses from fire. All in all, it was the best years in the history of the company. Not that the first there sentence give details to explain why it was the best year in the company's history. Paragraph 3. There are great numbers of deer around here. This whole area is great countries from hunters and fishermen. There are bears, mountain lions, and coyotes. To east there are streams full of trout and there are ducks and geese. The author begins and ends with examples. The main idea is stated in the second sentence. Paragraph 4. Advertising affect our life every day. Brand names are common household words. We start each day using the toothpaste, soap, and breakfast food promoted by advertisers. Ads have made the cars we drive sing of our success. Our choice of food, dress, and entertainment are swayed by ads. Not one aspect of American life is untouched by advertising. The main idea is that at the beginning of the paragraph and then restated at the end. Paragraph 5. Penicillin is one of the greatest of the wonder drugs. It has saved thousands of lives already and will save many more in the future. Unfortunately, it has no effect at all on most of the ills of mankind. Penicillin is a very good drug, but is it certainly not a car out? The author has split the main idea. This paragraph begins with positive comments of penicillin. The word but signals a shift in thought, and the paragraph ends with statements of its limitations. Paragraph 6. Do you wear glasses? Make sure glasses fit well. The earpieces should be at eye level. Don't try to adjust the earpieces yourself. Take your glasses for adjustment to the place you bought them. Keep your glasses in a case when you're not wearing them. This will prevent scratches. Keep the lenses clean. A soft cloth is best for cleaning. The main idea is implicit. All of the sentences in paragraph give details about a main idea. In this paragraph, the implicit main idea is taking care of your glasses involves many steps. Main ideas. Exercise. Each paragraph is followed by 4 statements. Select the statements that best expresses the main idea. Circle the letter of the statements. People often 1. People often refer to Texas in terms of there being much to hike. In reality, they are probably even higher than you think because in addition to the federal income tax we are now studying, there are many other federal, state, and local taxes, including sales taxes, inheritance taxes, state income taxes, personal property taxes, real estate taxes, and others. These are just some of the most obvious ones. A. Taxes are much too high. B. We pay more taxes than we may realize. Inheritance taxes and real estate taxes are unfair. Some taxes are hidden. The answer is B. The sentence because the sentence encapsulates the main idea of the paragraph, which is that in addition to federal income tax, there are many other taxes that make the overall tax burden higher than we make realize. Number 2. The fact that electronic computers are now used for data processing has led the general public to believe that it is a mysterious, complicated science and that the computers are giant brains. Both of these ideas are false. A computer is basically just a high-speed adding machine that performs the functions it is told. If the input data are fired even a little, the computer is unable to operate until it is programmed to accept the variation. The business operations it performs are impressive only because of the extremely high span of manipulation, but most of these operations have been used for decades. Unlike man, the computer performs repetitive calculations without getting tired of bored. The answer is A. The paragraph because the paragraph explains that a computer a high-speed adding machine that performs the functions it is instructed to do, dispelling the notion that computers are mysterious giant brains. Number 3. The Louisiana Purchase proved to be one of the shrewdest business packs in the entire history of the United States. The purchase doubled in the area of the country and provided territory from which 14 new states were created either wholly or in part. It also gave us control over the mouth of the Mississippi River and opened up the way to foreign trade prior to the purchase. The waterway had been blocked by the Spanish, probably with the research of probably with the approval of Napoleon. The land that was bought, which rich in timber, minerals, and natural resources of many kinds. Finally, the cost of the transaction was unbelievably low. The total of uh, 15 million amounted to about 4 cans an acre. The answer is A. Because the paragraph highlights various benefits of the Louisiana Purchase, including territorial expansion, control over the Mississippi River, and the very low purchase price, and all of which indicate it was a very good business deal for the U.S. Number 4. There is a common belief that while the dog is man's best friend, the coyote is his worst enemy. The bad reputation of the coyote traces back to his fondness for small animals. He hunts at night and is particularly destructive to sheep, young pigs, and poultry. Yet it is sometimes wished to encourage coyotes provided valuable farm animal and protected. The coyote will often free the property of of other animals like rabbits, which are ruinous to crop and curtains trees. He is especially beneficial in keeping down the rodent population, where coyotes have been allowed to do their work without molestation. Researchers and fruit growers have found them so valuable that they would no more shoot them than they would shoot their dogs. The answer is A. Because the main point of the paragraph is that under certain conditions, coyotes can be beneficial to humans, particularly by controlling the population of rodents and rabbits that damage crops. Number 5. In earlier days, those who had overseas business which they believed should be discussed personally took ship and set out across the briny deep. Once aboard, they transacted their affairs, engaging in commercial and social matters of conducting government business. Today, ships and passengers continue to sail the seven seas, and airplanes soar overhead, but above them all world speed through the sky. Telephone conversation quickly bring together in the most personal fashion people who are separated by thousands of miles. The answer is B. The paragraph highlights that many conversations that once necessitated overseas travel can now be conducted over the telephone, reducing the need for such travel. Number 5. The attitudes of Americans toward gambling are amazingly contradictory. You may find, for example, that horse racing is legal in your state, but that you cannot legally play poker for money on your front porch. Bookies may be prosecuted by state law, but they are supposed to purchase a federal license nonetheless. Our crunch condemns gambling, while another raises money by sponsoring video games. Gambling laws are inconsistent from state or state, or even from town to town, and are very difficult to enforce. The answer is C. The paragraph emphasizes the inconsistency of gambling laws across different states and communities, indicating that gambling regulation vary widely from place to place.